In the last episode, we created a product, built a character, and had her interact with that product naturally in a scene. Today, we're going a little further. We'll refine our images using tools we haven't explored yet, like color palette, camera references, and effects. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. We've already talked about how prompting can be approached in lots of different ways. There isn't a single recipe, and that's part of what makes this fun. There's also a different way to build prompts, starting from an image instead of text. You can bring in an image from your history through the prompt editor, choose one from community or stock, or drop in a file from your computer. All of them will instantly become a prompt you can refine. It's a great way to turn an idea into something visual using an image you already like, simply adjusting a few details in the generated prompt while you learn to create your own. Now, let's look at an option we didn't use in the previous episode, the object reference. Last time we created our product by describing it through a prompt, but inside the Add menu, you'll also find a collection of pre-made objects to choose from. These can be great starting points if you find something that fits your idea, whether it's for a concept, a branded piece, or any project where having a ready-made object gives you a good head start. Now let's explore the color palette reference. This lets you guide the tone and overall feel of your image without needing to rewrite your entire prompt. You'll find a wide range of palettes to choose from: cold, neon, pastel, vibrant, and warm, each one pushing your image in a different visual direction. And once you've gained a bit more experience, you can even create your own palette using the option at the top right, so the possibilities are endless. Next, let's move to camera references. These control things like composition, angle, framing, and depth. Almost like choosing the photography style before you press generate. You'll see options such as close-up, portrait, cinematic, wide shot, fisheye, and many more. Now let's take a quick look at effects. Effects let you shape the overall feel of your image, influencing everything from the atmosphere and lighting to the energy or sense of motion in the scene. When you open this section, you'll see it's organized into different groups, each offering a wide range of visual styles you can apply with a single click. It's a great way to reinforce the mood of your prompt or push it in a new direction. Let's put all of this into practice with an example. For this one, I'll create an image of two runners celebrating at the finish line. An energetic and joyful scene. I'll write my prompt describing the moment, the attitude, the clothing, and any additional details you want. Then I'll add a camera preset, in this case layered, to give the scene depth. To reinforce the atmosphere I'm going for, I'll pick an effect that amplifies that feeling. In this case, joy, which fits perfectly with the celebratory mood of the scene. And for colour, I'll choose a palette with stronger, more saturated tones so the image is bold and energized. To achieve this, I'll choose Neon Punch. Once everything is set, the prompt, the camera reference, the color palette, and the effects, I'll click Generate. And here's our image. Our two runners just as we imagined them. Looks good, doesn't it? You can see how the camera preset added depth, how the effect enhanced the mood, and how the color palette tied everything together. And that's the idea behind this episode, using additional references to fine-tune your vision and give the model clearer guidance. Take your time exploring these tools. The more you play with them, the more control you'll feel over the final outcome. And we're sure you'll be creating high-quality images in no time. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next episode.